Do you know how gentle this daisy is? You should wake up so early in the morning to see the fine dew from overnight being when the temperature drops and before the first sunlight, the dew is resting very gently on the petals, and it's kind of almost nurturing like that. And as the sunrise, the shadow of the petal that's curled in retain the dew for a little bit longer, so that with the sun being out pretty much all day for long, can nourish or hydrate the flower through the afternoons to keep it fresh and alive. And why can't you be the daisy? Why can't you be the daisy that nurture life, that promotes life, hydrate life, rejuvenate life, and energize life? It's intelligent. Daisy, you're an intelligent flower, and we can learn so much from you. And you got beautiful pollen in the middle, so that you can thrive in the peaceful nature. Unlike human beings, we are crippled by our own good. The human beings are so good, they're completely destroying their habitat, the habitat of the other, habitat of every creature. The very water that we're supposed to nurture and rejuvenate and hydrate us has been poisoned, polluted, and fouled by your industrial waste. Building back better, greener is all good for a cup of tea and afternoon barbecue. It's not what is happening across the world. Your build back green ideas are good for the roundtable meetings in an idyllic, secure space in the southwest coast of England, and they go away in their polluting jets to the next city to do the same. Your chatter is good for your own good. It's not good for the planet, not good for life. It's not good for these wonderful daisies that are here, not only to make it colorful, but also to make it pleasant and beautiful. Yet, if you don't understand what it means to be pleasant by your own good nature, by yourself, I'm the only one here. I was just watching that coot. The adult coot was really treating the little one bad. Is it bad, or is it just teaching good manners, I presume? I presume it was teaching good manners. Wonderful, right? How nature is. Is this just the human beings who are not teaching their children good manners? The children are allowed to pick up all the aberrant behaviors instead of showing what is truly important, what is truly important for being a responsible adult.